3-inch, so I gotta make sure. Yup. Nice. So, sit on top there. Should be pretty good. All right, here's the big one. Come on. So we've got the new map sensor. I'm guessing it's 1.5 or 2 bar. That's that. All the injector harness adapters, plug and play, and manual swapped 2.5 turbo ECU. Nice. That's my factory ECU, by the way. That's pretty cool. Alright, so I'm gonna wait for the guys to get here. We'll throw everything in and I guess test it and start it up. Okie dokie. Oh, I opened up the wrong side. Put the screw where it's safe. Alright, that fit pretty good. Is it a T15? I use my car as a toolbox. Pretty nice sensor there. Okay, plug that puppy in. Cleaned it.
Okay. There you go.
I hope it's focused enough.
Focused.
May 10th my ass. So the idea is we'll get everything put together, get it primed, make sure the injectors don't leak out. That's why I needed a second set of eyes.
So while you start it and I'm out here?
Yeah, well I'm going to prime it. I'll just kind of open the door and it'll prime the fuel pump.
Okay.
And then just make sure nothing squirts out. If it doesn't, we're good. I'll start it and then we'll check for like any oil leaks or anything else crazy. Okay. That'll connect. Reconnect. Like my backyard wire splice.
Love it.
I'm sure you would be very excited to see that.
Of course.
Think, oh,
Always.
this wire's not properly secured. I never talked to him again.
I'll never talk to him.
Oh my god.
Should we just edit this part out?
No. Gotta keep it raw.
Love it.
Okay. I got that on before I can keep the intake on.
Make sure everything works before you put it together.
Yeah, I think you have a really good idea, actually.
Oh, let me take tools off engine.
Oh my god.
And we must connect the battery. Oh my goodness.
And then, where's that? 8 mil. Everything has been thought of and executed, sir, to the best of my abilities. Okay, I have a functional intake. Everything's connected. Oh. Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
I'm freaking not. Start. Any fluids?
No, but there's like a weird like.
That's fine.
All right.
Anything shoots out. But I already knew that might happen. Where's that?
Off the back, it's smoking off the back. Good.
Where at?
Smoke, you see it? It's like right underneath here, I think.
Just in case.
That's a good idea. There.
Oh no, it's oil right here.
It's oil.
Yeah, right at this.
Ooh, okay.
Yeah.
For the turbo?
Yeah. Why is that? That's supposed to be tight.
That's.
Probably just the oil burning. It's not leaking on this side, so that's good. Okay.
You want me to stop it?
Yeah.
How?
The red button at the top.
Alright, you're recording.
Alright.